officers convicted in the 2012 beating of Rikers inmate Jamal Lightfoot.
6 of those officers will now spend time in jail. Eyewitness News reporter Marcus Solis is at the Bronx County Courthouse in the Morrisania section with the story. Marcus.
Indeed, Liz, a total of 8 officers sentenced today. 2 were spared jail time, but the other 6, well, they are inmates now themselves. There were sobs, sorrowful hugs, and plenty of tears shed inside and outside the Bronx courtroom today. Somber family members reacting to the jail sentences handed down. Today, 6 former corrections officers learned their fate as the result of this. The 2012 beating of an inmate so severe it left him with a broken nose and broken eye sockets. His name is Jamal Lightfoot, who was in Rikers Island awaiting trial when he was punched, kicked, and stomped on the orders of the jail's assistant chief of security.
Until the mentality of correction officers is changed, and they do not believe they can do this with impunity, we will not see an end to this violence.
That Rikers assistant chief, Eliseo Perez, was sentenced to 6.5 years. Gerald Vaughn, a captain, received 5.5 years. 4 other officers, Alfred Rivera, Tobias Parker, Jose Parra, and David Rodriguez, were each given 4.5 years. 2 others accused of trying to cover up the crime were sentenced to 500 hours community service. The convictions come as state and federal prosecutors have been trying to crack down on violence against inmates at Rikers. But defense attorneys say justice was not served.
Having lived this case for 4 years and having obviously participated very vigorously through the trial, I do not believe that the evidence that was submitted rose to the level of proof beyond a reasonable doubt.
Well, no comment today from Jamal Lightfoot. You heard from his civil attorney. There is a lawsuit in the works. In the meantime, the corrections officers all plan to appeal those verdicts. We're live in the Bronx. Marcus Solis, Channel 7, Eyewitness News.